Okay students, in previous part we have seen how to find the distance between the 2 points. Okay, now in this lecture we will see how to determine whether the points are collinear or not. Okay, here I have stick one picture from your textbook. Okay, now in this, how to solve this, what is the solution of this thing. Okay, so what I will do students, first of all, the method to find whether it is a collinear or not, we have to find the distance between AB, like this. I have to find the distance first of AB. I have to find distance of AB. Okay, one thing over. Okay, then A comma B, I got a distance. Now I will be finding next distance of BC. Okay, B comma C. Then the next one, I will find the distance of A and C. Clear? These 3 points I am going to find. Okay, then I will take the first, second, third equation. Now first thing, in this 1 comma minus 3, 1 comma minus 3, if A is 1 comma minus 3, A is 1 comma minus 3. Okay, and B is 2 comma minus 5. Now what is my x1? This will be my x1. This will be my x1. Okay, y1, then x2, y2. Okay, I will be finding AB. With AB I can say, what is the formula of this? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Correct? What is the value? Let's substitute here. What is the value of x2? X2 is how much? x2 is 2. Okay, 2 minus, what is y? x1 2 minus 1 whole square, 2 minus 1 whole square plus y2 is minus 5. I will write minus 5 minus, what is my y1? Again minus 3, 2 minus. Now minus will be your plus, minus will be what? 2 minus 1, what I will get? 1. I have to find 1 square. Okay, plus 5 minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3 is what? I will get minus 2 ka square. Okay, so 1 ka square is what? 1. 1 ka square will be 1. What is the minus 2 ka square? 4. Correct? So what is the final answer I will get? Root of 5. I will get AB is equals to root of 5. Yes, I will get AB equals to root 5. This will be my first. Simultaneously you will be finding BC also. So in BC, if you will find, you will get like this, 6 root 5. AC, you will get value 5 root 5. Okay, the same method how I found AB, the same way you find BC also, then AC also. Okay, from this 1, 2 and 3, if I take 1, 2 and 3 together, if I take 1, 2 and 3, what I will do, I will see the which is a greater one. Okay, BC is a greater one. Okay, BC will be my greater one. So I am going to see whether my line, this is a greater one, so I will do my plus of this first and third. I will add 1 and 3. I will add 1 and 3. Okay, I will add 1 and 3. If I add 1 and 3, I will be getting in the following way, like distance of AB. Okay, AB plus distance of AC will be equal to what? What is the distance of AB? It is root 5. AC is what? 5 root 5. If I do this, what I have to do? I see the root 5. I take common of root 5. Okay, I took common, Now if I took root 5 out, here remains 1 and here remains 5, so I will get 6 root 5. 6 root 5. Okay, 6 root 5. Now if I got the value that is 6 root 5, it is equals to distance of B comma C. Therefore my points A, B and C are collinear. Therefore my points A, comma B and C are collinear. Understood? How to find this collinear points, how to find whether the points are collinear or not. If this will not be equal to, then we will say they are not collinear. Okay students, in the next video we are going to learn the topic of, okay, we are going to learn the topic to verify a point whether they are equidistant or not, and whether it is a right angle triangle and vertices of parallelogram. All different things we are going to find in the next video. Okay, thank you.